While the entire market is obsessed with meme coins and AI tokens, there's a silent revolution happening right under your nose. A Layer 1 blockchain that has actually solved the blockchain trilemma. Not promised to solve it, not working on solving it, solved it. I'm talking about Kaspa, and if you're not paying attention right now, you're about to miss the biggest sleeper hit of this entire cycle. Take a look at this tweet from Kaspa Daily right here on screen. Kaspa is consolidating in a tight range, Bollinger Bands are squeezing, and volumes are dropping. You know what that means? We're sitting on a powder keg. But here's the kicker. This isn't some venture capital-backed project with insiders ready to dump on retail. This isn't some celebrity-endorsed meme coin that'll rug you in 3 months. This is pure, decentralized technology that's been building in the shadows while everyone else was chasing quick flips. Today, we're diving deep into why Kaspa might be the most undervalued Layer 1 in crypto right now, why the smart money is accumulating during this quiet phase, and why this could be your last chance to get in before the market finally wakes up. Let's start with what's happening on the charts because this setup is absolutely textbook. Take a look at this analysis from Kaspa Daily right here. We're seeing classic consolidation after Kaspa hit its all-time high. The price is contracting, Bollinger Bands are tightening, and volume is drying up. Now most people see this and think it's boring. They want the green candles, the moonshots, the immediate gratification. But if you've been in crypto long enough, you know that these tight consolidation phases are where fortunes are made. This is where smart money accumulates while retail gets distracted by the next shiny object. Historically, when we see Bollinger Bands squeeze this tight on any asset, especially on a fundamentally strong Layer 1, it's a coiled spring waiting to explode. The longer the compression, the more violent the expansion. And with Kaspa's broader trend still positive, this isn't a death spiral, this is a launch pad. But here's what makes this even more interesting. While other Layer 1s are dealing with network congestion, high fees, and scalability issues, Kaspa is quietly processing transactions at lightning speed. We're talking about a blockchain that can handle 1 block per second with instant finality in just 10 seconds. That's not theoretical, that's happening right now. The market hasn't priced this in yet. When you look at Kaspa's market cap compared to other Layer 1s that can't even handle basic transaction throughput without falling apart, it becomes crystal clear that we're looking at a massive undervaluation. And here's the psychological play that's happening right now. The longer Kaspa stays in this range, the more people lose interest. They rotate into meme coins, AI tokens, whatever's pumping that day. But the technology keeps improving, the network keeps growing, and the fundamentals keep strengthening. When this breaks out, and it will break out, those same people who got bored will be chasing the pump at much higher prices. This is exactly what happened with Solana in early 2021, with Avalanche before its massive run, with every major Layer 1 that eventually found its moment. The pattern is always the same: build in silence, consolidate while others chase hype, then explode when the market finally recognizes the value. Now let's talk about why Kaspa isn't just another Layer 1 trying to compete with Ethereum. Take a look at this tweet from Shantz right here. KAS is not like other coins. And he's absolutely right, this isn't about hype or marketing gimmicks. This is about fundamental blockchain architecture that solves problems other networks can't even approach. Most blockchains are built on linear chain architecture. Block comes after block comes after block. It's simple, but it's also the bottleneck that's kept crypto from mainstream adoption. You want fast transactions? You sacrifice security. You want security? You sacrifice decentralization. You want decentralization? You sacrifice speed. It's the blockchain trilemma that's plagued crypto since Bitcoin launched. Kaspa said forget that and built something completely different. BlockDAG architecture, directed acyclic graph, that allows multiple blocks to be created simultaneously. Look at this tweet from Marco Polo right here breaking down the technical specs. 1 block per second, instant finality in 10 seconds, proof of work secured with KEVI hash algorithm. But here's the part that should make every crypto investor pay attention. They're rewriting the entire codebase in Rust and pushing toward 100 blocks per second. Not 100 transactions per second, 100 blocks per second. Do you understand the implications of that? And here's what separates Kaspa from every other Ethereum killer out there. No venture capital backing, no pre-mine, no insider allocations. This is pure decentralized technology built by developers who actually care about solving real problems, not just pumping token prices for their next exit liquidity event. The community understands this. As Shantz points out in his tweet, people actually get the tech and vision. This isn't a community of moon boys waiting for Elon Musk to tweet about them. These are people who understand that real technological innovation takes time to be recognized by the broader market. Major exchanges still haven't listed Kaspa, and that's actually a massive opportunity. When Binance, Coinbase, and other Tier 1 exchanges finally add KAS, and they will because the demand is building, we're going to see the same supply shock that happens with every major exchange listing. The technology is ready, the network is growing. The only thing missing is mainstream recognition, and in crypto, that recognition always comes suddenly and violently to the upside. This brings us to the most important point, and it's beautifully captured in this tweet from CryptoG right here. Conviction isn't tested when we're mooning, it's tested when it's quiet. If you've been following Kaspa and getting frustrated with the price action, this is your moment of truth. The people who are selling right now, the ones getting impatient and rotating into whatever's pumping this week, they're the ones who provide exit liquidity to smart money later. History is crystal clear on this. But here's what's different about this cycle. We're not in 2017 where everything pumped regardless of technology. We're not even in 2021 where marketing and hype could carry projects to billion-dollar valuations. We're in a market where real technology is starting to matter again, where actual use cases are becoming the differentiator. Kaspa's tech is literally rewriting blockchain scaling. While other Layer 1s are adding more layers, more complexity, more points of failure, Kaspa solved the problem at the base layer. That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary, and the timing couldn't be better. As institutional adoption accelerates, as governments start building CBDCs, as Web3 applications actually start demanding real scalability, the market is going to wake up to what Kaspa has built. The question isn't if, it's when. Smart money is already positioning. The community is growing organically without paid influencers or celebrity endorsements. The technology is being stress tested in real time. The foundation is being built for something massive. CryptoG nailed it in his tweet. History remembers the patient. Every crypto fortune was built during these quiet periods when everyone else was looking elsewhere. Bitcoin at $100, Ethereum at $10, Solana at $2. The pattern is always the same. Revolutionary technology gets ignored until it can't be ignored anymore. Kaspa is processing more transactions per second than most major blockchains, with better decentralization, lower energy consumption, and zero venture capital manipulation. The only reason it's not a top 10 crypto right now is because the market hasn't caught up to the technology yet, but markets have a way of correcting these inefficiencies, and when they do, it happens fast, and it happens violently to the upside. So here's where we stand. Kaspa is sitting in a perfect consolidation pattern, building the foundation for its next major move. The technology is proven, the community is growing, and the market hasn't priced in what this blockchain is actually capable of. While everyone else is chasing 10% pumps on meme coins, you have the opportunity to position yourself in what could be the most undervalued layer 1 in crypto. This isn't financial advice, this is pattern recognition based on 15 years of crypto market cycles. The question you need to ask yourself is simple. When Kaspa breaks out of this range and starts making new all-time highs, do you want to be chasing the pump, or do you want to already be positioned? We'll be tracking every development, every exchange listing, every technical milestone as Kaspa continues its march toward mainstream adoption. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because when this moves, it's going to move fast. Drop a comment below. Are you accumulating during this consolidation, or waiting for confirmation? The patient money usually wins, but the choice is yours. See you in the next one, and remember, in crypto, the biggest opportunities often come disguised as boredom.